Unraveling English, Understanding Quantifiers. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into a fundamental aspect of English grammar, quantifiers. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are quantifiers? Well, they're simply words or phrases that we use to express quantity. How much of something there is. With quantifiers, we can talk about a lot of books, a few apples, or some water. Let's explore this fascinating topic together. In English, we use quantifiers to provide more information about the amount or number of a noun. It can be something specific, like 2 apples, or something more general, like some people. Quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Examples of quantifiers include words like some, many, a lot of, a few, a little, each, every, etc. There are 2 types of quantifiers, those for countable nouns, and those for uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are objects that we can count, like cars, dogs, or books. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are things we can't count, like water, advice, or music. Quantifiers for countable nouns include words like many, a few, several, each, and every. For example, I have many friends, or he read several books. Quantifiers for uncountable nouns include words like much, a little, a bit of, a great deal of. For instance, she has much talent, or we need a little water. It's crucial to use the right quantifier for the right situation. For example, we would say, I have a few friends, not, I have a little friends, because friends are countable. Similarly, we would say, I need a bit of advice, not, I need a few advice, because advice is uncountable. Also, note that some quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, we can say, there are some books on the table, or, I would like some coffee. Alright, folks, that wraps up our introduction to quantifiers. They are powerful tools in English grammar that help us express quantities more accurately. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to use them in your daily conversations or writings. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see you in our next English language adventure. Happy learning!